So now I am currently in my local Hobby Lobby store, and I am showing you both the plate and salad plate from the Robert Stanley collection. And this is my inspiration piece, and these are the colors that I'm going to be using in my fall decorating for 2021. I just love this color palette with the muted orange and tans and teals. So this is going to be my color story for 2021.
Hi, sweet friends, and welcome back. It is so good to see you again. And if you're tuning into my channel for the very first time, welcome, and I'm so happy that you can join us today. And if you could be so kind, won't you consider subscribing to my channel, because that really helps my channel to grow, and that helps me to reach my target goal, which is to reach 1,000 subscribers by 2021. And your help would be greatly appreciated. And also go ahead and hit that like button. Give me a big thumbs up, because that communicates to YouTube that you're enjoying my content and you want me to continue my channel on this platform. So in today's video, as you saw in the intro, I am in my local Hobby Lobby store, and I am sharing with you how I am going to be choosing my colors for fall 2021. And the item that I was showing you was a plate and a salad plate, and those are the colors that are going to be my inspiration pieces. I'm also going to be sharing with you in today's video a very small shopping haul, and at the end of this video I am going to show you a very simple DIY and give you a little brief tour of what I saw at my local stores to gather the items in this shopping haul. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the items that I collected from my local Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start with some of the florals. Now the first floral is this beautiful orange hydrangea. I like this muted color, and this is going to be one of the colors that I'm going to be using in my color palette for fall 2021. Now, one thing I will say about the hydrangea at the Dollar Tree, this is how it looks. This is one stem, okay? And this is not full enough for me to give me that realism, because we have a hydrangea bush on our property, and hydrangeas are more full. So the trick that I learned to get that full effect is combine three together, and there you'll have the full effect of the hydrangea, and it'll give you a more lush and rich look. So actually, Walmart usually carries some beautiful hydrangeas, and they're $3 per stem. So you're really not saving any money because here, to get that rich look, you still have to buy three, so you're still paying $3. But if you don't care about that full look, I guess this would be a second option for you. Now the next floral, now this is one of my fave florals from Dollar Tree. I think they did an excellent job with their mums. You see how fluffy, and I'm going to show you the tag just in case you want to pick this up. That's what it looks like. You see how fluffy and how much detail you're actually getting in each stem. Look how luscious that looks. I love it. It says it's a mum, but it actually looks like a chrysanthemum. I don't know whether they're one and the same. I have to look that up. But I've had mums and chrysanthemums on my landscape. This is one of my fall faves from Dollar Tree. I give you a thumbs up and a 5-star for this one. Now this is another fave of mine that I will constantly keep it on rotation and go back and repeat by. And this one is the mini mums. These are absolutely gorgeous for $1. And they actually came in a mustard yellow. I saw them in a mustard yellow and your traditional orange and the creams. I like to use these, and actually when I do a floral design, I like to add them in my year-round arrangements because I just like the attention to detail, as you can see right there. And I think they make a beautiful floral arrangement. So those are all the florals that I gathered from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm just going to reach over for a moment and get the next item, if you don't mind. And this is new to me. I'm not sure whether Dollar Tree had this last year, but these are the berry picks. And I'm just letting you see what it looks like. I really like these. So I'm going with a more neutral, muted color palette for this fall. I think these berry picks, I've never used them before, but I am going to try them out, and I will let you know what I think of them when I start using them in my floral arrangement. So I actually bought 3 packets of these because I like the color, and I felt that they would be ideal to do floral arrangements. You could actually put these in your wreaths. Wherever that you're going to be doing a floral designs, these will go great in. And the next item that I got from my local Dollar Tree are some pumpkins. Now this is a pumpkin that I found. I think this is new to Dollar Tree here. And these are the pumpkins that has the beautiful sunflower in the center. How adorable is that? And this is a creamy, milky looking white texture. And you got the color stem here. It's more of a muted orange. And then you have your green. So this is kind of the colors that I am going to be using. Now this came in 3 different styles. That's the first one. And this is the second one here. It has thankful written on it. Aren't these adorable? And then you get the sunflower here. And you only get that print. So if you don't like the print, you can just turn it around. And then they had it in a third option, which is this one, which says grateful. And I thought these were absolutely adorable. And for $1, who can beat it? And this would definitely go well in my color palette for this fall. So if you want them, go check them out and see, has your Dollar Tree, have they got these in yet? But I really, really like these. Okay, and I think that concludes everything that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. Sorry guys, I forgot this little item. And I guess you can call this a little trinket box because it's a pumpkin, but you can open it from the top, and that's what it looks like. And this came in a traditional orange color. I opted for the white and cream because that fits my color palette. If you don't like the gold, which I don't have a problem with the gold, you can always paint it or do whatever you desire. And I thought this would be a great addition to my fall decorating. And I'm thinking about using this in a tablescape setting, just to throw out an idea. And so the last item that I'm going to share with you is coming from my local Hobby Lobby. And I purchased these pumpkins. Aren't they absolutely adorable? And Hobby Lobby had these last year, okay? But I did not get them for some reason. I liked them, but they didn't fit the color scheme that I was going with. So this year, I purchased them, and they were, let me see, they were $3.99, if I can get you to see that. And Hobby Lobby, all their fall items now are 40% off. So if you were hesitant about shopping at Hobby Lobby because of their prices, now is a good time to go and check out their fall merchandise and get things that are on sale. And also, I think that there's some of their summer items, I think they were like 66% off or spring or something like that. So this is that more of that muted burnt orange color. So this is why I chose these. And I really wasn't impressed with Hobby Lobby's decor this year. They had a lot of repeat items, including signs, including the same pumpkins. They had a few new items, but they weren't things that I'm going to be using in my decor. But that completes my shopping haul. And so up next, I'm going to share with you a very simple DIY by using some of these fall florals. So stay tuned, you guys. once again, I want to thank you all for tuning into my channel today. I hope that some of the ideas and some of the items that I presented in this video helps you kickstart your decorating and your planning for the upcoming fall 2021 season. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.